If you searched how to buy shares of Storebrand, this short guide will walk you through the steps. Storebrand is a Norwegian pension and insurance company listed on Euronext under the ticker STB.OL, and this information is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will be required to verify your account, usually with a government ID, and you must add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker STB.OL to find Storebrand quickly. Select the listing that shows Storebrand on Euronext to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, check the brief company description and the price chart to confirm it is Storebrand. Verify the exchange reads Euronext and the ticker shows STB.OL before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed according to your order type, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the purchase, your position will appear in your Portfolio or Holdings tab for monitoring. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you wish to follow these steps on that platform.